In this video, I'm going to show you how you can group tasks in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have here quite a number of tasks and I'd like to go ahead and group them according to priority. To do that, it is quite simple. Just head over to this customize. Then from here, you'll see group. Now, if you click on group, you can see we have here group by, and go ahead and click on status. So if I click on status, I can either group them based on assignee, priority, tags, due date, or even task type. For my case, I want to group them based on priority. So I'll click on priority. And now you can see they have been grouped based on priority with the urgent one appearing on top and the rest follows. You can also go ahead and rearrange how they appear. This is ascending order. If you want them to appear in a descending order, you can also go ahead and choose that. So that's how you can group tasks in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.